Hello. We have job openings for truck drivers at the SSP truck line in Canada. Job description. Job title, Long-Haul Truck Driver. Company, SSP Truck Line. Location, Milton, Ontario, Canada. Posted date, June 13, 2023. Closing date, July 13, 2023. Number of vacancies, 10. Job type, full-time, permanent. Pay rate, $26.50 per hour. Who can apply? All nationalities are welcome. For more details and to apply online, visit the link in the video description below. Also, you can find more driving opportunities on the other links in the description. Thank you.